Presenting the 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include power 6-way driver's seat, passenger sensing system, auxiliary audio input jack, remote keyless entry system, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 6-speaker audio system, AutoTrac 4-wheel drive transfer case, and driver and front passenger frontal airbags. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.